Assalamu alaikum students. It's ladder of 5 class unit number 1. Today we'll discuss virtues and vices. Virtues, both words are opposites, while virtues means good quality, morality, goodness, and vices means bad habits, bad manners, corruption, and bad qualities. Here is a picture. You can see different people are in the park and having different kind of activities. Basically it is an activity page and you have to write something about this picture. I have written some words. You can also use these words while describing this picture, just like hardworking, idle, clean, dirty, generous, selfish, shy, nervous, happy, sad. Same case is here. There are some hints for you, words and opposites. You will solve this question by your own self. After activity page, we will firstly see what is the first lesson or our first poem. Basically it is poem. Don't quit. Don't quit means don't stop. Whatever you are doing in your life, never stop. Keep up your struggle, keep on your work. Just don't stop and don't be loser. So don't quit. I have written a quotation for you. When the word says give up, hope whispers try one more time. This is lesson of your poem, first and basic lesson of your poem, main theme you can say. First of all, we will see illustration and reading before text. We will find out words meanings. Here some words meanings are written here. Trudging, walking slowly, pressing, giving tension, victor's cup, success, golden crown, his goal, hardest hit, when the maximum number of problems have surrounded a person, sigh, a long deep breath, faltering, undecided, night slipped down when he aged. I think you have an idea what the poem describes and what the lesson, what the meanings and what the illustration describes. You can check that. Before we start, what will you do if you do not succeed in the sports or tournament? You will work harder, feel angry, quit playing. This poem teaches us how to overcome difficulties in our life. Now I will tell you some more information about this poem. This poem gives us a message. Don't quit is a message about a great thing of optimism. The poet lays open many secrets of success. When every door seemed to be closed, the door of achievements opens. It brings a great revolution in one's life. One who sticks to one purpose till last hit and lays oneself out with one's aim, get everything soon. Now we will have some more meanings. I have written here. These are also in your notes. Wrong, unjust, uphill, difficult, depths, obligations, goal, destination, faint, dim, antecedent, thoroughly, quit, seize, give up, stop, capture, catching, failure, inability to succeed, tint, shade, worst, poorly. Now we will read text. When things go wrong, as they sometimes will, when the road you are trudging seems, trudging mean slowly walk, आहिस्ता आहिस्ता से चलना, seems all uphill, when the funds are low and the debts are high, and you want to smile but you have to sigh. Sigh mean आह भरना या एक गहरी लंबी सांस लेना. When care is pressing you down a bit, rest if you must, but don't you quit. In this passage, poets give us message that ups and downs are the main part of our life. We never should lose our hope and never stop our struggle. as the title is, don't quit, never stop, don't stop. Whatever you are doing, just keep doing and keep working over it. Read next passage by your own self and learn word meaning which I have given you in the same way. Okay, Allah Hafiz.